Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I didn't post any video on, but I struggle so hard to balance with my mom life and my YouTube life right now, and my little girl is just here. So for today's video, I'm gonna try, it's not a new foundation, but it's a new foundation for me. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir. I just bought this because of Raw Beauty Christie on YouTube. She raved about this foundation, so I was like, I'm gonna try this. But if you see my last video, I was talking about CoverGirl foundation because they all oxidize so bad on me, and I hope that this one's doesn't. So I picked I think it's the lighter shade, Ivory. So if this foundation gonna oxidize, it's not gonna be so bad because it's a little bit lighter, I hope so. So just before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and put the thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. They are all linked down below. Let's jump into the video. So just before to put my foundation on, I'm gonna put my primer, and my favorite one this time is the No Pore Blem primer from Touch and Soul. So I'm gonna use half of my face with a sponge and the other half with a brush, just to see what I like the most, because I didn't remember what Christie used for that. I just love that the foundation have a pump, that it's a plus for sure. Oh, it's thick. I was thinking that it's gonna be like more liquidy foundation because it's like a glowy foundation. So I'm gonna do this half of my face with a sponge and do this with my Real Technique Miracle sponge, I think. And the foundation claims to be lightweight but full coverage, and it have SPF. I was thinking that the shade was going to be like lighter, but no. So I hope it's gonna not oxidize so bad on me, because I'm gonna be an Oompa Loompa like in my last video. Finger crossed. I'm gonna do another pump because it's very not full coverage right now, and I just want to see if it's buildable, because I love my full coverage foundation. So right now it's 2 pump. Just right off the bat, this foundation looks stunning. It looks like skin. It doesn't stay on dry patches. It is glowy, but not too much. It's gorgeous. I love this foundation. I hope that's gonna be not too bad at the end of the day, because I'm combo skin, so yeah. I'm gonna do the other half of my face with a brush. I'm not the biggest fan of apply my foundation with a brush, so I don't know what it's gonna be. I much more prefer the sponge. It's looking just more flawless on the skin. It's not looking like I have something on my skin. I just don't know why people just use brush. Not bad, but on my nose it's looking more cakey than the sponge right now, and I don't know, it just doesn't blend that well. It's oxidize the foundation, so that's bad. Like my hands right now, it's orange, so I have to put this on my neck to not look like Jim Carrey in The Mask. I'm gonna finish with the sponge because I don't love the application of a foundation with a brush. So for me, I prefer my sponge versus the brush. It's always like this. Oxidize a little bit on me, but every CoverGirl foundation oxidizes, so yeah. But my skin look a little bit orange right now. But I can live with it. It's not that bad. When I'm gonna put my concealer on, I'm gonna tone down this little bit oranginess on my face right now. It's a little bit tacky, but it's looking so great. It's not sink into my pores. It's a little bit more kickier on my nose, but I don't know if because I used the brush before. I cannot wait how it's gonna be at the end of the day, because if it's gonna be like a greasy mess, I'm not gonna love this, but right now it's looking very, 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 very good. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'm gonna come back for my final thought about this foundation. So it's been a long time since the last clip because my two kids was angry, so I have to do my job. So right now it's 8 and I have this foundation since 4, so it's been 4 hours and that's looking great. My skin doesn't look cakey at all. It doesn't crease. It's not too shiny right now. It's just so perfect, for real. It's a little bit on the orange side because it oxidized a little bit on me, but if I blend correctly on my neck, it's been okay. I set it with a powder. I bake under my eyes, in my forehead, and under my contour like usual. I do a cream contour on this foundation. It blends so well, so you can do a cream contour if you want to. Everything comes so good on this foundation. So that's it, guys, for this video. It was very short, I know, but I'm so happy to bought this foundation because it looks so good right now. And yeah, it's come neck to neck to my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so it's mean a lot for me because my Fit Me Matte and Poreless, I love this foundation. The only downside about this foundation is the oxidation, so keep that in mind when you bought this foundation. Just take a shade lighter than your skin because it's gonna oxidize on you. So I recommend you this foundation for sure if you didn't try this, and I love this foundation for real. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video and I will see you soon. Bye.